I am at Twin Lakes, Paris, Illinois, and right behind me there is a mini golf here. We're going to do a little flyover, check out the area, see everything that they have right here. I did want to mention that I haven't been on the channel as much lately, but that's because of some personal stuff and we won't get into that. But I am still on here. We're going to still put videos together. Let's do a quick flyover and look at some of the scenic attractions and get you some Mini 5 Pro footage on top of it. Let's do that. I want to thank you for checking out the video. If you liked it, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, support the channel. We're growing. We're going to keep more stuff coming your way. And we checked out Twin Lakes in Paris, Illinois. It's a pretty nice little spot. We got a little drone footage from the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And if you do have any suggestions, feel free to put a comment in the comments section and let us know what kind of toys you want to see, what kind of parks you want reviewed, what kind of equipment you want reviewed. And I hope to see you in the next video.